All right, guys, not even gonna do a whole bit introduction, but anywho, my little niece, she was driving a car and the bumper flew off, the back bumper. So I'm out here now with the bumper, trying to actually, finna try to repair it, man. And like I say, this works. I have done it before in the past on the car that I had. So this may help a lot of people that got bumper problems, just saying. So I'm finna show you how to use this little thing. I'm finna show you what it is. And like I said, it's only under 20 bucks. So you really can't lose for under 20 bucks. So let's get it. Right here, I bought all this from Harbor Freight. This right here, $7.99, $17.99. You really don't need this, but I do a lot. And my old one right here, I lost it. So like I say, $7.99, $17.99. And hopefully we can get this fixed, man. This a little worse than what I normally use this thing for, but it may, I mean, I'd have fixed one before it wasn't this bad off, but we're gonna do the best we could do to get it fixed for her so it can go back on. Cause I mean, she young, she can't drive. And we can see she can't drive because she could say whatever she want to say, but these are signs that this thing was dragged. It was dragged, man. This is signs. All this right here are signs. So I'm gonna do this, and then I don't know if she feel like it, I may bundle it and try to respray it back over. But I know how she is, so let's just get it together. All right, guys, as you can see, this right here, we're gonna start up here where you can connect that right here. It's a little part here that connects. We're gonna start right here, and then we're just gonna try to tack this together so it can stay. And then we're gonna try to put this back the best way we can. Like I say, it's not gonna be perfect because it completely damaged. And normally when it get completely damaged like this, you have to get a whole new bumper. But we're just trying to get to the point where it will hold. So, like I say,
Danny on the beat, boy.
and there you go, easy plastic weld fix right there. Seal the back end. We're gonna hit the front side one time, and that should be it. I mean, it's not gonna be perfect. We just want the hole so she can have a bump on. Like I say, the pin's broke. I may use a bigger pin. I may take a piece of plastic. I mean, not plastic, but cardboard, and try to stick right here and try to mold it in, and then take me some either some E6000 or some of that plastic welds that I use a lot, and weld that plastic in, let it sit. Well, just put that epoxy on there and let it sit, and it get harder than a rock. And do the same thing for this side too. I mean, once that stuff get hard, it's hard. So But like I say, a couple of minutes, already done with that. As y'all can see, the crack on the front is still there, but it's solid. It's not moving. But I'm still gonna go across the front with one of these clear tubes, the smaller clear tubes that they for, black tubes, and this stuff here. Sometimes I use this. This right here is like a mesh. You'll put this on first, and then you'll actually take the plastic. Let me move this out of the way. You'll actually take one of these and do it over the mesh. Works great. I got one of my customers coming down with the side by side, but we're gonna weld that bumper back real quick. So y'all stay tuned, man. We're finna gonna get it done. Like I say, quick, easy fix, man. Don't forget to like and subscribe, man. Your boy out here. Don't forget that. Honest, this the ugly part. This is when you have to come through the front. I got started a little late, man. I had to help my buddies in with they side by side real quick. Let me set this little nice tripod up that I got myself for Christmas. Oh, she falling. Oh, she ain't stable. Oh, there she go. Now, as you can see, we just same thing like we did in the back, but the front gonna be a little bit ugly. Now, the way that you can make this a lot better is once this plastic actually gets off into these cracks and actually gets sealed, you'll go back and then you'll sand them, and then you'll go on down, and then, you know, bundle, yada, 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 and go on here and respray. With this, I'm just sending these cracks because my little niece is not finna spend no money. So I'm sending these cracks, and that'll be it for the bumper. She can get it. So she'll have a little crack going up. As long as it's sealed, as y'all can see, you make sure you do the back and the front now. Just don't do the back. You got to do the back and the front. Both got to be done. So, like I say, quick and easy repair, man. And I also went on ahead and I molded this back together. So as y'all can see, it's another hole there. And I made that over there. So all of that is done, as you can see. So we're finna go ahead and get done with this. Now, as y'all can see, this look real ugly. But one thing I learned, you gotta seal the front and you gotta seal the back. So normally once this stuff actually get hardened up in this area here, once it get through the cracks and get hardened, go back with some sandpaper and all that good stuff, sand it down. This crack right here, it was a big crack, so I went back over the front side with it. Like little cracks like this, it pretty much seal. But sandpaper and bundle, that's it. And then you'll be ready to spray. Like I say, easy little quick little fix, man. Very easy little quick fix. So I'm gonna seal up all these little big cracks like this right here. Yeah, that'll be it for the day, y'all. Like I say, man, this video, it'll help a lot of people. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Feel free to comment. I mean, you already know where to live, man. Smooth creation. All right, let me go and fit this for my little niece. Y'all said that thing rolled down.
Yeah, Alabama in the motherfucking flesh, nigga. This is not an album. You know this a mixtape, nigga.
VVS, you forgot to hit it.
Yeah. Y'all nigga better act like you motherfucking know, nigga.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Say it's looking dead, help is on the way, on the way. He ain't by the filth, rollers by the case, by the case. Time to get it poppin', time to get it shaking, get it shaking. If you ain't tryna turn up, then you in the